Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of time management. Now, you might think time management is just about schedules and calendars, but it's so much more. It's about making the most of our most precious resource, time. What is time management? Let's start with the basics. Time management is the art of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. It sounds simple, right? But it's more than just managing our time. It's about managing ourselves in relation to time. It's a skill that helps us achieve more in less time, and it's essential for balancing the demands of work and life. Imagine time as a river, constantly flowing. You can't stop it, but you can navigate it effectively. That's what time management is all about, being a skilled navigator on the river of time. Why is time management important? Increases productivity and efficiency. By managing your time well, you can accomplish more with less effort. It's not about working harder, but smarter. Reduces stress. When you have a plan, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed. Time management helps in creating a balanced schedule that accommodates work, hobbies, and relaxation. Improves decision-making. With a clear schedule, you're less rushed and can make decisions more thoughtfully. Achieves goals. Faster. Effective time management helps you focus on one goal at a time and reduces distractions, speeding up your journey to success. Enhances quality of work. When you're not constantly rushing, the quality of your work improves. More time for personal life. Perhaps most importantly, good time management gives you more time for yourself and your loved ones. It's not about squeezing more work into your day, it's about creating balance. Key elements of time management. Prioritization. Knowing what tasks are most important and focusing on them first. Goal setting. Setting clear, achievable objectives. Planning. Allocating time for tasks and activities. Delegating. Understanding when and how to delegate tasks. Decision-making. Making informed choices quickly and efficiently. Stress management. Balancing workloads to prevent burnout. So, in this journey, you'll learn not just to manage your time, but to master it. You'll learn techniques that go beyond the traditional to-do lists and digital calendars. We'll explore how to prioritize tasks, set achievable goals, and most importantly, find that sweet spot where your work and personal life exist in harmony. Remember, time management isn't a destination, it's a continuous journey. Each day is an opportunity to refine your skills, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey of time management. By the end of this course, you won't just be spending time, you'll be investing it wisely. Let's get started.